Most people searching how to make money online step by step are chasing hype. They're told to post endlessly, buy traffic blindly, or trust gurus who never show proof. That's why 90% fail. I tested myself and the numbers shocked me. If you stick with me to the end, you'll see the exact funnel that turned 200 clicks into 149 leads in 30 hours. How Duplication flips your income from fragile to predictable. Why I'm the best sponsor to join if you're serious about making money online in 2026. And the bonuses I'm giving away that literally build your list for you while you even sleep. This is my Home Business Academy, honest review, make money online secrets. You're told to post endlessly, but you don't own your audience. You're told to pitch fast, but never build trust. You're told to buy traffic, but don't have duplication. That's why I rebuilt from zero, and in 30 hours, I turned 200 clicks into 149 leads. Let me show you how. Alright, so look at this. October 20th and October 21st, 149 leads. See, next to John Solly, it has 100 and has 49. That's 149 leads that I got from my traffic, okay? Now, watch this. This is my sponsor's rotator, okay? These two. That's 22 leads from my sponsor's rotator that I did nothing for except be on his team. That's what you'll get if you join with me at the 10, 25, and 125 level. Not only will you be in my rotator and get free traffic from me and potential leads, signups, and sales for any program, okay? I help you build any program, okay? And get you traffic to and paid, okay? But also, you can offer this as a bonus. And when people plug in with you, that's $128 a month you'll make, okay? So, I showed you that I got traffic from my sponsor, which that's what happened for you if you lock arms with me at the 125, 25, and $10 levels. But I also got elite traffic. Look at this, 75% opt-ins. I bought 200 clicks and got 149 opt-ins. Okay, that's 75% opt-ins. Now I bought these clicks and traffic at a profit. Okay, I bought it at a profit from commissions I'd already earned. In just 30 hours, 200 clicks turned into 149 fresh leads. That's a 75% opt-in rate. That means 75% of the targeted clicks actually joined my funnel. And I'm not just buying traffic for myself, I'm buying it for my team. You could literally be in my rotator right now. The top spots are the most valuable, okay? You'll never get as much traffic as you will now, okay? We'll split it 50-50, okay? And even sales worth up to 128 per person, because the bonus you qualify, you can also clone. So I can give you possibly $10, $20, sorry, $8, $10, and $8, $20, or $100, okay? And also, if somebody wants to be in your rotator, your income's going to go up $128 a month. You're watching my Home Business Academy Honest Review, Make Money Online Secrets. And here's why sticking with me matters. In 2026, the sponsor you choose will make or break your results. There is no team, there is no sponsor that is going to do more for you. Okay? If you get in with our team, okay, you're getting the best traffic, you're getting this best training, you're getting the best team to be for the rest of 2025 and 2026. Most people join someone who disappears or jumps from program to program, okay? They disappear after the sign up. I'm different. I buy traffic for my team. I show proof daily and I publish every single day. And that's why I'm the best sponsor to join if you're serious about making money online in 2026. Last week, I woke up to a $28 rebill. Proof the system and team are working exactly as designed, okay? These are residual commissions, okay? You have residual bills like rent, electricity, etc. You need cell phone, you need residual Netflix, you need residual income, okay? And I also had 145 auto deposited in my bank recently, and I'll show you from someone I'd even never heard of. They've been watching my videos, they join with me, okay? There's another couple guys that have been watching my videos. One guy had a couple questions. One guy just told me, I'm going to join with you. I've been watching your videos. I'm familiar with your content. I'm going to join with you. And then not only did he join with Simple Freedom Warriors, he also joined in HBA. Okay? These are people who are watching my videos, evergreen content, and joining my programs. Okay? You're told duplication doesn't matter, just grind harder. You're told to chase likes and followers, but likes don't pay bills. You're told to copy paste hype posts, but that they kill your credibility and they build someone else's list. You're told to keep buying tools, but you never get a system that actually works together. That's why the Home Business Academy setup finally makes sense. It's one funnel, one system, and it's already covering my subscription while building residual income. I want to show you something real quick. Okay, I'm going to go to my online banking, but before I do that, I'm going to show you my e-wallet. Okay, $34.50. You can pause the video. $83.05. You can write it down. $34.50 and $6.50. Those are commissions. And there's more because the $27 rebill is not showing. Now I'm going to log into my online banking, right? So I'm showing you everything. I'm literally showing you everything, okay? I'm not only showing you emails of payment proof, I'm showing you bank account, okay? It showed you a deposit in my bank account, Bank of America. So there is the 145 from Home Business Academy, okay? 650 Home Business Academy. Both of those were auto paid, okay? I've already set it up once, so I get auto paid. $34.50 and $83.05, just like I said, okay? Why do you want to join our team? Because our first step is to join a coaching call with our team leader. You plug people in and they'll be trained from this guy right here, okay? They're going to get videos on every single thing in here. And every single thing in here and every single thing in Simple Freedom Warriors, which is another bonus you get for free, okay? You get to clone our bonuses, right? It's a 100% free gift. You're able to claim access to the Simple Freedom Warriors $7 Academy and earn 50% commissions on all products. Not the $7 level. All products. That means if somebody joins with you for $500, you get $250. If somebody joins at $3,000 level, you get $1,500 instantly to whatever payment processor you want. You get 150 done free email swipes, okay? Everything you need is right here and right here, okay? To build any business, okay? We're going to help you build any business, and guess what? You can meet live with this guy right here, Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, and get time zone conversion. You just enter the training room once you're in the site, okay? He'll help you build any online business, okay? Now, that's why Home Business Academy setup finally makes sense. It's one funnel, one system, and it's already covering my subscription while building residual income. So all you do to go to here, pick a day and time, hit next, okay? Now you want to get that Simple Freedom Warriors account? You click right here, right? He's going to help you set up your HBA system so you're on the right track from day one. You're not wasting time, okay? So here's the step-by-step. Capture page. You own the list, okay? If you're sending people to a company page, despite what they're telling you, you're leaving money on the table. Have you ever heard the saying, the money's in the list? You need your own list. You need your autoresponder, okay? You need a capture page and a funnel builder, okay? Thank you page, which is telling your story and branding you. Email follow-up. Told you we have 150 emails, okay? That's 5 months if you're mailing every day. If you're mailing every other day, that's almost a year's full content. Duplication. Your team can repeat your success without friction. We'll not only train you, we'll train your team. And you add the funnel builder, the Let's Go app, and premium. Not only do you earn $28 and $100 monthly, look at this, but I'll add your link to my rotator and buy traffic for the both of us. Tag me in. I'll help you out. That's duplication at scale. So look at this. Member who's on Let's Go, Funnel Builder, and Premium get access to sponsors, team, traffic rotator. Not only that, but you're able to have your own funnel, and people will pay you $128 to be a part of it. Okay, $128 a month. Okay. If you ever felt like you're building someone else's empire, this is your reset button. Imagine a system that works in the background while you sleep, with evergreen content and duplication powering it all. As Mark Twain said, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. That's what this rebuild is all about. If this is valuable, hit the subscribe so you don't miss the next proof drop. And while you're at it, hit the like button, okay? It helps me get this content out to more people, okay? So here's my honest take. The Home Business Academy isn't perfect, but it finally makes sense. It's simple, it's duplicatable, and built for people who are tired of starting over. Lock in your bonuses here. Click on the first link, the pinned comment by me, okay? This has been my Home Business Academy honest review, Make Money Online Secrets. The results I've shared are my personal experience. The Home Business Academy and the Home Business Academy training program do not guarantee income, and neither do I. Your results will depend on your effort, consistency, and ability to follow the system. The system works, but will you stick to it? Will you stay with it? Or will you chase after the next shiny object that's not going to get you anywhere? Okay, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result. This is not a promise of earnings. It's an honest review of what's possible. Okay? And again, I want to show you some rankings real quick to show you this is not bullshit. I showed you. Alright, so the first one I'm going to look for is Home Business Academy, Make Money Online Fast. And as you can see, I have not only one, but 2, 3, 4 videos on the first page of Google. 4 videos on the first page of Google. Home Business Academy, Make Money Online Fast. Now look at this. Home Business Academy DFY system. That's a sponsor. That's a sponsor. So those are ads, right? The number one video link, the number one result is JJ, Make Money Online with JJ. That's me. And then there's an Instagram post by me, and another Instagram post by me, and a YouTube video from a month ago. Okay, on Google for the top, first page. Okay. Here when you go Home Business Academy DFY marketing system, same term, right? Now watch, I'm going to count about 15 to 20 videos. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All you're seeing is my videos. Think of you when I show me, and think of you and your team. Was that 11 or 12? So 12, 13, 14, 15 videos right now. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 videos from one term. Now this isn't showing that you can dominate any program. I don't know what else, but this has been my Home Business Academy Honest Review, Make Money Online Secrets. This is JJ Sully, aka John Sully, aka your friendly neighborhood Sully Man. Don't delay. Get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.